We are going to learn in this exercise how to subtract two angles, that is, how to find the angle resulting of subtracting two angles. In this case, we are going to subtract angle B from angle A, and we are going to solve it on this semi-straight line from point J. First, we have to copy the minuend angle to subtract the subtrahend one, overlapping both of them and being the remaining the result. We are going to draw three arcs with the same radius, the one we want, whose centers are points A, B and J, where we are going to solve the exercise. This first arc, whose center is point A, intersects the semi-straight lines that form angle A at these 2 points 1 and 2. And this other arc, whose center is point B, intersects the semi-straight lines that form angle B at these 2 points 3 and 4. Let us copy angle A, the minuend angle, in the first place, on this semi-straight line that starts at point J. In order to do that, we copy chord 1, 2 from point 1, the first, using point 1, the first as center, and the length of chord 1, 2 as radius. We draw an arc that meets this one, whose center is point J, at this point to the first. So the angle 1, the first to the first is congruent to angle A. Now, in order to find graphically the angle resulting of subtracting angle B from angle A, we have to overlap angle B, the subtrahend angle, over angle A, the minuend angle, from the semi-straight line where angle A ends, that is, the semi-straight line that joins point J to point to the first. To do this, we copy chord 3, 4 from point 3, the first, which concurs with point 2, the first, inwards angle A. Using point 3, the first as center and the length of chord 3, 4 as radius, we draw an arc that meets this one whose center is point J at this point for the first. So angle 3, the first for the first is congruent to angle B and is overlapped with angle A. If we take from angle A that is intercepted by arc 1, the first to the first, angle B intercepted by arc 3, the first for the first, the angle intercepted by arc 1, the first for the first is the angle resulting of subtracting angle B from angle A.